so pagod.
Social na.
Ikaw nga. Ay, wala.
Hindi ko mag-English.
I'm exhausted. Ay, exhausted.
This is my first time I'm exhausted for being a Ano? Wala ka ng ambag!
Naglakad. Ay, nasira pa yung ano ni Tita Irene. Ay, Tita
Ganda yan.
Irene. We're so tired. Ay!
What did I do? I cheer up the bride. This is the bedroom of bridesmaid.
This is the maid of honor of the honor of the maid.
This is the bedroom. They say clean as you go. So I clean. And I go. I'm gonna go. This is where we sleep yesterday. And today, there's no more yesterday.
No more wedding kasi it's
The wedding is good. It's kilig.
it's blushing.
We feel so blessed that we're blessed.
Sabi mo na isa ka sa bridesmaid sa abay.
I didn't expect it, but I think I'm not the option, but I'm the chosen.
And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red, and I think touch of blue, like you. They give me some questions, I can answer them.
When do you plan to get married?
Huh? When? How? Where do you live?
I live far away.
Where part? What part of US?
Georgia.
Georgia is not California.
No.
Vanessa nag-uukay na din. Tita Lori nag-uukay. In quality or quantity?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
I believe in
I believe in
quality
you.
over quantity.
Ang nabili ko guys, iba na yan. Yan guys.
Off ba to?
Hindi ata. Ay, ilan yung kaso niya?
70% off ba?
1 to daw eh. Masikip pa rin.
Iba na ba size ko? Ito lang.
May size 40 ka niyan, te? Hi guys, we're here on
Batman Nation. Uy, ba yun dito yung entrance? So, dito ka lang. Wait lang.
Gawin ka naman, Deb!
Ewan ko sa'yo. Nakakalimutan mo na ako.
Yes, yun, yes.